Detective Fiz here, and welcome back to the lab. Today, we're going deep undercover to expose the totally mind-blowing secrets of one of the world's most famous drinks. You ready? Let's crack this case. So, you think you know Coke, right? That fizzy drink you get at the movies? Oh, think again. This soda is hiding some of the absolute wildest secrets on the planet. I mean it. Prepare to have your mind completely and utterly blown. Okay, first things first. My first clue in this whole conspiracy is the absolutely bonkers flavors they've been releasing, and I'm not talking about, cherry or vanilla. Oh no, this is some next level galaxy brain stuff right here. Okay, check this out. They made a soda called Starlight that was space flavored. I'm sorry, what does space even taste like? Well, apparently it's like stargazing around a campfire with hints of fruit and cotton candy. My mind is already fizzing, and we've barely even started. Just when you thought it couldn't get any weirder, bam! They dropped Coca-Cola Bite, a flavor born in the Metaverse. A soda that tastes like pixels. Does it taste like an 8-bit video game? Is it crunchy? The mystery just keeps getting deeper. And here comes the futuristic plot twist. They literally asked an AI, a robot brain, to dream up a new flavor for them. And the results? Coca-Cola Y3000, a soda that's supposed to taste like the future. You guys, a robot made this drink. Okay, but this one right here is the final boss of weird flavors. They teamed up with Oreo to make a fizzy liquid cookie. A Coca-Cola that tastes like an Oreo? I have so many questions. This flavor conspiracy is way bigger than I ever imagined. So all these wacky flavors, right? They're just the tip of the iceberg. It really got me thinking, what about the biggest secret of them all? The one they've been protecting for over 100 years, the original recipe. So, our investigation has to start way, way back in 1886. A pharmacist named Dr. John Stith Pemberton cooked up the original syrup for Coca-Cola. He knew it tasted good, but he probably had no idea he just invented one of the most famous flavors in the entire world. And listen, this isn't just some story they tell you. The actual, physical, handwritten recipe is locked away inside this massive, high-security vault at the World of Coca-Cola in Atlanta. I'm being so serious right now. It is the real deal. There's a whole security system, alarms, the works, all to protect one little piece of paper. You could definitely say it's their most valuable treasure. Okay, so that vault is maybe a little too tough for even Detective Fiz to crack right now. So let's switch gears and investigate a different secret. One that happens every single time you open a can. The fizz. Where do all those bubbles actually come from? Well, the secret is a process called carbonation. It sounds super sciencey, I know, but it's actually pretty simple. It's all about dissolving carbon dioxide gas, yep, the same stuff we breathe out, into the liquid. But here's the trick. You have to do it under a whole lot of pressure. That pressure is the magic key. So, picture this. First, you've got your flat, yummy soda liquid. Then, they use that intense pressure to squish a ton of carbon dioxide bubbles into it. After that, they seal the bottle super, super tight, trapping all that pressure and all those bubbles inside. The second you pop that top, psh, the pressure is released and all the bubbles make a run for it. So you've got all this fizzy power trapped inside, just waiting to escape. But how in the world does a thin plastic bottle handle all that pressure? Well, it turns out the bottle itself is another secret agent in this whole operation. Have you ever really looked at the bottom of a plastic soda bottle? Seriously, go look at one if you can. It's not flat, is it? It's got those 5 weird bumps on the bottom. Why? Trust me, it's not just for looks. Those little feet are a huge clue. You see, if a soda bottle had a totally flat bottom, like that one on the left, all that pressure from the bubbles would push straight down. It'd get all wobbly and might even break. But look at that awesome petal-shaped base on the right. The fancy name for it is a Petaloid base. That's its secret weapon. So here's the really cool part. That special shape spreads out all that fizzy power evenly across the base of the bottle. It keeps it from bulging out or, going kaboom. Those funny little feet are actually a brilliant piece of engineering. How cool is that? All right, agents, brace yourselves for the final plot twist. We've cracked the secrets of wild flavors, the vault, the fizz, and the bottle. But there's one more secret. Coca-Cola doesn't taste the same everywhere you go. In fact, sometimes it's not even the same drink. Let's go on a quick world tour. First stop, Peru. Over there, the Coca-Cola company owns Inca Cola, a crazy popular soda that tastes like liquid bubblegum. Then let's zip over to Italy for a taste of Beverly, a drink so bitter it's supposed to get you ready for a meal. Talk about a taste adventure. And the flavor map just gets wilder. In Tanzania, you can find Stony Tangawizi, a super spicy ginger beer. And in Thailand, they have Phantom Melon Frosty, which tastes like sweet, refreshing melon. So why do they have all these different drinks? Well, it's all about making drinks that people in different parts of the world will love. It's a super smart way to make sure there's a Coke product for everyone, everywhere. Wow, what an investigation, team! From space-flavored sodas to super strong bottles, the secrets just kept on coming. I think it's safe to say we've cracked this case wide open. Case closed. Okay, let's review the final case file, rapid fire. 1. Coke makes wild flavors like space, pixels, and even AI. 2. The real secret recipe is literally locked inside a high-tech vault. 3. The fizz is just CO2 gas squished into the liquid. 4. The bottle's weird little feet make it super strong. And 5. Coke tastes totally different all over the world with unique flavors for everybody. We totally cracked the case on soda, but you know what? There are so many more mysteries hiding in your kitchen. I guess the big takeaway is that even the most ordinary things can have extraordinary secrets. So always stay curious. Let me know what food mystery we should tackle next time. Detective Fiz, over and out.